Hello guys. How are you doing? Today in this video, I will be teaching you on how to download offline videos on TikTok. I can tell you it's very easy for you to download offline videos on TikTok. So what you should be doing is to follow the steps. The first step to do is download the TikTok app on Google Play Store, or if you have the app, launch the app straight away if you already have one and follow the instructions. Go to 3 bars. Settings and privacy. Then offline videos. Head to your settings on TikTok before you head into the area of no reception and select the option that allows you to download a number of videos, and then select the number of videos from your FYP for your page. You'll wait for a few minutes till it's done downloading. Note that these videos will be stored in the offline section of your settings and you can access them from there. Unfortunately, if you are always in the comment section of TikTok, then you'll be disappointed to learn the comments of a video that aren't downloaded for these offline videos.
Waiting I no do for you, now waiting you want, I do it nice too. Mana, mere no me for Jaco till love obiri. Nya.
That's it. That's how to download offline videos on TikTok. It's free easy step tutorial. If you have any questions you can tell us in the comment section and I will reply you. If you found the video helpful, make sure you click the like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I release a new video. So thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next one.